Channel, and I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. This lab is just recently updated, so it is a new solution for the lab, and now this lab is completely changed. So I request you please pay attention while completing this lab, because if you make a mistake and if you are not able to complete the lab on your first attempt, then there are the couple of things that you need to do before trying the next attempt. Okay, now in this particular lab we required our personal GitHub account. So if you don't have, so just come back to github.com and just create your personal GitHub account. If you already have the GitHub account, so make sure that you don't have this two repository. If you have, so just open both the things in new tab and just delete it. Make sure that you have to perform this process before continue with the lab. Okay, so come back over here, just click on the settings and just delete this. Scroll down, click on this delete like this way. Let me just do it this quick. So it's gone, and here also you can do the same thing. Okay, so both the things are now gone, and once you refresh the page, you will get this kind of page. Okay, now in the description box of this video, I will share one GitHub link. Just click on that link, then you will come back to this page. Scroll down, open this URL in incognito window after logging with your credentials. Okay, this will activate your cloud shell. Meantime, just come back over here, and from here you can see this curl command. This will download this GitHub repo from my GitHub to your cloud shell. Then we have to make this file executable. For that, we have to just run this chmod command, and for executing all the command, we have to just run this last command over here. So just copy all this command, come back, and now just paste over here like this way and hit enter button. Paste, hit enter button. Wait for a second and then click on authorize. Now this command is going to take at least 5 to 10 minutes. So make sure that your laptop will not go for a sleep. Otherwise your cloud shell will be disconnected, and because of that you might face an error. Now I'm going to fast forward all this waiting part, and once it's done, then we have to just log in with your personal GitHub account. I will let you know how can you do that. So just wait for a couple of minutes. And it's finally done. Now here you can see it's asking us to choose the two option. Okay, we have to choose a github.com. Sometime what happen, you are not able to choose that. Let's suppose if I use up down key, as you can see I'm able to move that. Okay, if I hit enter button, I will get this kind of page. If you are not getting any kind of page, if the page is not responding, just click on this refresh button. Okay, now just choose a HTTPS like this way, and then just hit enter button again. Now just choose login with your web browser like this way. Now first of all, copy this one-time access code, copy that, and then click on this URL over here like this way. Now here just log in with your personal GitHub account. So let me just do that. Okay, so I got one verification code. So let me just copy that and paste over here. So this is my verification code. Okay, then click on this continue. And now I have to just paste the activation code. So from here I will get that activation code. So just copy that, come back, paste, and then click on this continue button, and then just click on this authorize, and it's done. Now come back over here. Once you're done with all these things, again hit enter button. Now this thing is going to take a couple of minutes, so just wait. And it's finally done. Now what we do, we have to create two triggers. For that, come back over here and just search for the trigger over here like this way. Just click on this, that, click on this create trigger. Now for the trigger name, just come back over here, click on the task number 4, and from here you can see this name. So just copy this thing carefully, come back and paste over here like this way. Now for the region, just choose the region which mentioned on your lab instruction page. For me the given region was US West 1, so I'm going to choose that. Scroll down, it must be the first gen. From here just click over here, click on this connect, and from here it should be the cloud build. Okay, then click on this continue. Okay, so for me I got this page. Sometime what happen, it might ask you to install some of the packages. So just install all the things and then you will get this kind of page. If you are not able to get that, just refresh the page. Okay, From here, just me choose a repository called application one. Hello cloud build application. This one. So just me click on this. Okay now. Then click on the checkbox and then click on this connect. Now I request you please pay attention because I know most of you guys miss this part. Once done with all this configuration, now just me scroll down over here and from here you can see this branch. From here just me choose any branch. Okay, now this is our first trigger, so we have to choose any branch. Now scroll down. From here just me choose a cloud build like this way, and it should be the cloud build.yml. Okay, scroll down a little bit. For the service account, just me choose this service account. You can see this compute over here, this service account you have to choose, and then click on this create button. Now this thing will take a couple of seconds. Meanwhile, just me click on the task number 6, scroll down a little bit, and from here you will get a second trigger name. So just me scroll down over here, and from here you can see this name. So just me copy this name like this way, come back, click on this create, paste the name like this way, and from here just me choose a region, scroll down, then again click over here, again click on this connect, again repeat all the steps, click over here. Okay, now for this repository you have to choose this environment one, then click on this okay, click on the checkbox and then click on this connect. Now for your second trigger, come back over here, scroll down a little bit, and from here you can see this source as a candidate. So just me copy this thing carefully, copy that, come back. Okay, it should be the environment because this is our second trigger. Now scroll down, you can see this branch, replace this branch with the candidate over here. Make sure that you have to make these changes, otherwise you are not able to get a full score. Now from here just me choose a cloud build, scroll down again, and from here just me choose the same account which you created previously. Now click on this create. Now just me wait, and both the triggers are now created. Now if we just me come back over here and click on the check my progress for each and every task, you will not get a full score. Let me just show you why. If I just me click on each and every, so as you can see I'm not getting a full score. So what here do, just me come back over here and you can see this run button, just me click on both the run button and make sure that for all this trigger you have to choose a branch as a master. Okay, so let me just me copy this thing, copy that, and click on this run trigger. So just me wait now. Okay, now just me choose the second trigger. You can see if I just me click on this run button, so I will get this candidate. So just me replace this candidate with the master one and then click on this run, and it's done. Now if we just me come back over here, click on the dashboard over here, just me click over here, click on this dashboard, and you can see both the triggers are now running. So just wait until both the triggers show as the succeed, and once it show as the succeed, then if you come back over here and click on the check my progress for the remaining tasks, you will get a score without an issue. And in this way you have to complete the lab. Okay, now just wait. So first thing is done. So if I click on this check my progress, so I got a score over here, and second also done. If I just click on this check my progress, and score is updated. So if you have followed my instruction to complete the lab, then you have completed the lab on your first attempt. If you are facing any kind of error while creating this trigger over here, you can rewind the video. Okay, now let's suppose if you are not able to complete the lab on your first attempt, that time what you do, just restart your lab. But make sure that before continuing with the video, you have to just come back to the GitHub repo and just simply delete all these two repository. Once you delete that, then only you have to continue with your second attempt, because if you do not follow this, then you will get an error when you are running the command. Okay, I already show you how to delete the repository, and in this way you have to complete the lab. If you have any doubts, any questions, do let me in the comment section. Thanks for watching and have a good day guys.